The title of this module is Read Words with Inflectional Endings. An inflectional ending is a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning. The objective of this lesson is for students to be able to read words with inflectional endings. This skill will help students be successful readers as text becomes more challenging. It will also help them transfer this skill to their writing. This lesson will follow the gradual release model. I do it, we do it, you do it together as the students work in partnerships, and finally, you do it alone. The length of this support lesson is 25 minutes. This lesson assumes that your students will have the ability to segment simple single-syllable words and decode two-syllable words. Your students will also need to understand what a base word is. Materials needed include word-ending cards, word-ending anchor chart, video resources which are included in the lesson plan, writing utensils, chart markers, and chart paper. As readers, we come across word endings that we don't know in our stories. We need to understand that word endings will change the meaning of the base word. Have the ing video ready to show the students. Then you're going to want to model some teacher talk aloud for your students. Readers, remember how we have been learning that by reading the base word, it will help us read the whole word, including the ending? In some words we read, endings are added to the base word that will sometimes change the meaning of the word. As readers, we need to be careful and read the whole word, including the word ending, to understand the meaning of the word. Today we will review and practice adding ing and ed to words to create new words. Let me show you a quick video. After the video, return to teacher modeling. Model for students using the anchor charts for ed and ing. Words that have ing at the end will tell us that action is happening now. Words that have ed at the end tell us that something already happened, the past. Repeat the strategy using the word cards. For the active engagement portion, make a few words together. Make the base word first and then add the word ending to make a new word. Links to the word cards are located in the lesson plan. At this time, the teacher gives the students word cards and word ending cards. Each student will need one set of word cards and one ending set. In this lesson, we're focusing on ing and ed, but other endings can be added as your students become proficient. Give the student just one vowel page during the lesson. Students will work in partnerships to complete the sort. Students say the word aloud and decide if the word has a long or short vowel. They then will group appropriately. Before they leave, link the lesson to their reading workshop. So readers, now anytime you are reading and you need to sound out a word, you can use this skill to help you read the word. It's like our look at the base word strategy. If you try reading the base word first, then add the word ending to read the whole word. For the formative assessment piece, use the word ending exit ticket, which is linked in the lesson plan. Have students add s, ing, or ed to given words to complete sentences that make sense. Additional extensions include using the anchor chart information to create reference bookmarks for the students, repeat the lesson using different endings or add more endings in, have students search for words with inflectional endings in their own reading. There are many additional resources and videos included in the lesson plan, including base word baseball, fish 'em up, several ESL games, the word ending video, and the ED song. The anchor standard covered in this lesson is read words with inflectional endings.